Okay, thank you so much for joining with us.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
And how much do you charge for whatever service you're thinking of doing?
Okay. As I mentioned you, we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, and in this package we have to complete SEO optimization. You 10 videos for 7 days. Complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion like social media promotion. Okay, and our charge is our charge is 120 US dollar. And also we
Mhm.
have another and monthly package that's called monthly package, and in this package we have to complete SEO optimization your 30 videos and including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization like your channel description, your channel text section, and also we can fix any error on your channel. Okay, and our monthly package cost is only 300 US dollar. Okay.
Okay, so
Hello. You are mute.
oh,
Yes,
mm,
now we can hear you.
okay, you got me now?
Yeah. How are you, ma'am?
Okay, good. How are you?
Yeah, we are doing very well. So thank you so much for joining this meeting. And at first, I like
Yeah,
to introduce about ourselves. Then we're gonna talk about our project. Okay.
okay.
Okay, myself Rifat. My name is Rifat Sarkar, and in here another person, MD Alamin Hossein. Actually, he's reached out to you, and we are working together. And we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You know you have a great YouTube channel, and you want to get more
Hmm.
views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, so for YouTube, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO, that means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to research for you high volume ranked tag. That's mean which keyword your targeted audience search on YouTube for watching your niche related videos. We have to research this type of keyword, and then we have to include this type of keyword your videos back in section like title, description, and also text section. And when we successfully input this type of keyword your videos backend section and optimize your videos, then your videos shows YouTube and Google and also other search engine top search result. And in this way, you can get your targeted result and you can achieve your goals. Okay, so there is very organic work actually. And also we have another method that's called organic promotion, and in this work, we have to just simply copy your video's link and we have to share by using social media site. You know, we have lot of social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit, and this site used a lot of people. So we can share your videos by so many people. Okay, so also we have another and last method that's called Google Ads campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the ads campaign. But for fast and right now, we will recommend you can choose the SEO work because it's very effective and it's very organic work. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work and their result?
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. In here, you can see the website. This name is freelancing.schoolbd.com. It's our domain name. And in here, it's me,
Hmm.
okay, the smiley man. And if you click on portfolio section, then you can see a lot of portfolio we have already done. We are working by team. So if you click on this picture, then you can see before and after ratio. This score is provided vidIQ, the YouTube certified SEO tools. So before SEO, the score was out of 150, and after SEO, it was 100 out of 100. So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you all of the link and information, and you can check it out by your own. You can click on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, and social media management. And if you click on our team section, then you can see I already mentioned you we are not only just two team member, we have a lot of team.
Mhm.
And if you click on our client meeting section, then you can see we have already done a lot of client and their projects. So you can check it out after finish our meeting. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Yeah, what I've been doing is using Chat GPT and other places to try to get SEO optimized title and description, um thumbnail ideas, and so I'm already using some of those tools. When I create a video, I go into a transcript creator, so it creates a transcript of the entire video, and then I put that into the AI and ask for a SEO optimized title and description. So what would you be doing that would be different?
That is a good question and real question. Basically, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and others AI tools, these are helping tools. They help people to work easily. Okay, but they can't complete a work perfectly. We have to do the human touch in work. Okay, if you command the ChatGPT, please make me a title about this topic, then he will make you the many type of title for any
Hmm.
subject. Okay, but finally you have to choose the one title for you. Okay, and after that you have to optimize this title by your own. You have
Hmm.
to do human touch because your audience not AI,
Right,
your audience is human, so we have.
right. And I am doing that.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. So we have to proper human touch in our title. That will be perfect word. And we are YouTube expert and we have doing for a long time this work. So we know how to do it. Okay, and how to rank a YouTube channel. Okay.
Okay. And so what would you be proposing? What's your
Okay.
idea for this?
Okay, so our proposal is we have two type of packages available for this ACO work, and you can choose the basic package, and after one period, if you see yes it's working and you are getting your result, then you can hire us for a long time. But if you see we can give you any result, then you can fire us anytime, because our first priority is client satisfaction, because we know if you satisfied with our work, then you will hire us for a long time. So it's our first priority to satisfy our client.
And how much do you charge for whatever service you're thinking of
Okay.
doing?
Okay. As I mentioned you, we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, and in this package we have to complete SEO optimization. You 10 videos for 7 days. Complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion like social media promotion. Okay, and our charge is 120 US dollar. And also we
Mhm.
have another and monthly package, that's called monthly package, and in this package we have to complete SEO optimization your 30 videos and including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization like your channel description, your channel text section, and also we can fix any error on your channel. Okay, and our monthly package cost is only 300 US dollar. Okay.
Okay, so the $120 one is just for one specific video. So those are seven previous videos or seven upcoming videos, like one being
um
released every day for a week.
it's totally depend on you. If you want, then we will work your previous videos. Then, or if you want, then we will work your upcoming video. It's really depend on your wish.
Okay, if so doing previous videos, I've tried changing descriptions and titles and thumbnails, and it doesn't really make any difference.
Yes, yes. So that's why we will recommend you. If you work with your upcoming video, it will be better for you. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me see, I have this straight. So $120 for 1 week of fixing and promoting 7 videos?
10 videos in 7
Okay,
days.
10 videos.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I don't release 10 videos in even a month. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so using the weekly or week or month, that's what got me confused with it because it's number of videos, not amount of time.
Okay, okay. It's totally depend on number of videos, not depend on time.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, if you send me the links to look at and the numbers that you're talking about in writing, and what your proposal is in writing, then I'll take a look at those.
Okay, okay, no problem. After finish our meeting, my boy will send
Yeah.
you a small invoice. Then you can check it out. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, then he will send you our agency's all of the link. Then you can verify by your own. But for your kind information, for starting our work, we need your channel access, but still no need your channel login information as like password or Gmail. It's your privacy, so we no need it. We just need your channel access by editor or manager. Do you know how to give access?
No.
Okay, let me just 1 second. I will show you. Okay. I think you can
Oh,
see it's our YouTube channel, Freelancing School BD, and I am just gonna YouTube Studio.
hmm.
Then I have to click on Settings section. Then in here you can see the permission. Okay. Then in here you can see farm permission for Freelancing School BD name and role. This email SS Suraya, its role of owner. Okay. And this email roles is manager. Okay. And also this email role is manager. Okay. So if you click on the invite section, then you have to write in here our email or paste the email. And you can change access in here. If you click on the access, then you can see a lot of access is available YouTube provided to us. Then you can see the manager access. Okay, can views everything, manage permission, go live and create, edit and delete content. Manager can do this work. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going
And
to do that.
yes, yes. And if you give access to by editor, then you can see editor can view everything, go live, create and edit content, can't manage permission or delete content. And if you want to give access by editor limited, then you can see same permission as editor but can't view revenue data. Then you can see a lot of access in here available. So after finish our
Hmm.
meeting, you can check it out by your own. Okay. So if you give us just editor or editor limited, then we can work with your video on your videos backend section.
So why do you need editor access when I can upload everything?
Um,
I mean, do you need, so I would not give access to anyone else. I can
no.
tell you that right now. I can upload any edits that are necessary. I worked in software, before I came into my current career in nursing. So I am computer savvy. I will not give access to anyone else for
Um,
editing.
okay, then no problem. Then my boy will send you all information by a Google Docs. Then you have
Hmm.
to copy paste the information by your own. Okay.
Yeah.
I think it will be better for you and suitable. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the thing basically.
Okay. Yeah. So if you could send everything in writing, that'd be great.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.